Elevate your network expertise with our specialized DrayTek training course in Sydney. The venue for this event is at the Hudson Hotel, located at 5 Quinn Avenue at Seven Hills, New South Wales. Ready to elevate your understanding of DrayTek solutions? Join us for this essential training event. We're inviting all DrayTek resellers and network administrators to join us for a focused day of technical learning. Don't miss out on this specialized one-day training course designed to sharpen your skills in key networking areas. Spots are limited, so reserve yours today. This workshop offers a valuable opportunity for DrayTek resellers and network administrators responsible for maintaining DrayTek equipment to reduce support overhead. Learn to deploy high-performance solutions to help your business clients handle increased bandwidth demands, and have the opportunity to collaborate with our support engineers to help tackle your most difficult challenges. Get direct experience with DrayTek products, allowing you to test every discussed scenario and build confidence in configuration. Here's what you need to know about the upcoming training day. Mark your calendars for Thursday, April 30th, 2026. This full day is dedicated to advanced DrayTek configurations. The Hudson Hotel at Seven Hills near Sydney, where the training course will take place, is conveniently close to public transport and offers ample free parking. The venue provides an excellent environment for a day of learning. And what exactly will you be learning? The curriculum covers 3 essential DrayTek topics. We'll dive into advanced VPN configurations, ensuring you can set up secure, reliable connections with ease. Gain mastery over network address translation, NAT, learning the best practices for complex network environments. Learn essential strategies for effective bandwidth management to optimize network performance and prioritize critical traffic. We ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and productive day of training. All necessary course materials will be provided, ensuring you can focus completely on the content and take valuable resources home. Enjoy fully catered meals and light refreshments throughout the day, keeping you energized and focused. Attending this course offers significant advantages for your professional development. This is your chance to enhance your technical expertise and gain deeper insights into DrayTek products directly from the experts. Network with industry peers, share experiences, and build valuable connections within the DrayTek community. Remember to bring your notebook or a laptop equipped with an Ethernet port for the practical, hands-on sessions. In addition, each participant will receive a certificate of participation, which includes the course topics. This will attest your proficiency in the course contents and help to promote your services to potential customers. Ready to secure your spot? Spaces are limited for this highly anticipated training. Don't delay. Secure your spot by registering online today and take the first step towards advanced DrayTek certification. Click the link below to register for the workshop. We eagerly look forward to seeing you on April 30th for a day of productive learning and networking. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information about DrayTek products, please check out our website at draytek.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytek.com.au or give us a call on 02 9838 8899.